If you want to restore backup from Google Drive or Google account on Samsung Galaxy A57, then you can do this during the initial configuration once you see this menu over here, Copy Apps and Data. In this case, once you see it, you want to tap on Next. If needed, you will have to sign into your Google account. If you already did that, then in this case, you want to choose Can't Use Other Device, and then you should be able to have access to all the backup that you have on your Google account. There we go. So here you should be able to find it. If you do, then of course you can select it, and that's pretty much it. There's also the second chance to restore the backup, and that is after the initial configuration. If you go to notifications, you will see a notification about finishing setting up this device. In my case, it says that the setup is in progress. So if you open this, you will go back to many of the options that we have during the initial configuration, and one of them is this option to restore backup from your Google account. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.